Let's make Jesus' back doll. Sketch it first how you want the doll to look like. Then using pencil, draw the back doll. You can start with the clothes first. Make the rope which wrap around the doll. You can erase it when you make mistake. Draw the belt in the middle. Now draw the face and the beard. Last is the eye. Jesus had medium hair, so draw hair on the back. After you are happy with it, you can start coloring it. Mine looks like this. We use watercolor paint for this. Start coloring the clothes. Always start with the biggest part. Use any color you like. We choose white. Leave it to dry. After that, color the rope. We love purple, just like in the children's movie. Carefully follow the line. But it's okay to make mistakes. Just need more practice. Make sure to cover the roof area. Now we make the belt using small brads. Make a little dot in line, a lot of dots. Okay, this looks nice, right? We should leave it to dry for a while. It's time to make the face detail. Using marker, we draw the hair and the beard. Then carefully color the hair with marker, or you can use paint. It's up to you. Yay, it's done! What do you think? This is Jesus. Baby Jesus. Mother Mary's. Joseph. Angel and the shepherd. Can't wait to see yours. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.